Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this smoky, dramatic cranberry look. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. To start my eyes, I'm priming it with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. For this look, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm starting off with the shade Silk Cream. Then I'm taking the color Pooter, and with a medium fluffy brush, I'm blending it in a windshield wiper motion on my crease. Next, I'm taking the color Roxanne with an even smaller blending brush and going over the color Pooter in the same technique. I'm going in with my finger and taking the shimmery color called Cran Apple and placing it on my lids. I'm taking the colors Jacks and Buns, mixing it together and placing it on the outer part of my lid and blending. And now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and soften up the shadow. To prime my face, I'm taking this Smashbox foundation primer that I got from one of my Ipsy bags. And apparently the doorknob is more interesting than me, so thanks camera. By the way, I added my liner and lashes off camera, but I'll have a product info linked below. I'm doing my face routine a little different today. I'm going to start off by concealing with two shades, Medium and Neutralizer, and I'm going to start highlighting the high points of my face. I've seen this routine on Instagram a lot, putting your concealer and contour before your foundation, and I absolutely love the result of it. And I'm going to blend that out with the damp beauty blender. This one is from Ego Tools. If you're wondering, I am wearing colored contacts for this look. I believe it's in gray. I'm taking my ABH Cream Contour Palette and I'm going to be using the middle shade to contour. And I'm taking the L'Oreal Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator in the shade Rose. I'm putting it where I'd put my blush. This is going to be more of a natural dewy look that I'm going for instead of a matte look. Next, I'm taking Tarte's Pro Glow Highlight and blending it on the high points of my face. Also, please ignore the fact that I need to get my nails done. I've been really lazy about that. For foundation today, I'm using Fenty Beauty in the shade 240. And I'm taking the medium concealer shade and touching up my under eyes. To set my face, I'm using this translucent powder from Airspun. I love this powder and it's really affordable at Walmart. Excuse a dirty palette, I'm using the ABH Contour Kit in the shade Medium to Tan and going to contour my face. I got this blush from an Ipsy bag a few months ago and I just started using it and I absolutely love it. I just take my brush and kind of swirl it around and the color comes out so beautiful. For highlighter today, I'm using this one by Tarte. It was given to me as a birthday present and I can't get over how shiny it looked, which I love. Going back to my eyes, I'm using the shade Pooter with this tiny blending brush under my eyes. Then I'm taking jacks and buns with a tinier brush and blending it more towards my lower lash line. I'm taking this lip liner from Contour Cosmetics, I believe. I also got this from an Ipsy bag. For lips, I'm using the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer. It's more of a gloss than a matte lipstick. Again, the doorknob is much more important, so let's have a look at that while I continue with what I'm doing. To set my face, I'm using the NYX Dew Finishing Spray, and then I'm going to dab it into my skin with a beauty blender. And that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, featuring my doorknob. Hope you enjoy the look. Check out all the information for today's look in the description box below, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.